My idea of nice Sunday morning is to go to flea market and get some tool. So usually that tool is in this state, at least the tool that is from well-known manufacturers, there you can find, or the old tool that sometimes is really great quality, like this, but rusty. Or you can find new tool, but it's Chinese and it's shit. So I always tend to stick to the old tool. But for example, I find this Unier key 21. As you can see, I was missing the key 21. So there it is. And it's Unier, it's a well-known Slovenian company. And this is Tang, and you can think it's Chinese brand, but actually if you look underneath, it said Yugoslavia, so it's, I think, Serbian tool company, and it's 21 to 23 millimeters, and I was missing because I had the biggest one is that I had is 18, 19. So yeah, I'm missing 20, but I don't think so I will need that. So yeah, now I have, and actually I just cleaned them a little bit with the brush, put the WD-40 on them, and I get a really nice tool. But this is something that I'm really happy to find. So it's for a hammer for the body work, and I paid like €4. This was like €1 or something like that. And of course I always buy something that I actually don't need, but this compass cost me €1. So yeah, why not? It has everything that I need. I can put it in the bike just for just to have it. So yeah, so that is my idea of fun on Sunday.